Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to play Ludo in Messenger. Now to do that, open the Messenger application first. Once you're logged into the Messenger, what you need to do is tap on the search and there you need to type in Ludo and tap on search. Once you do that, you will have all these options over here. Now if you scroll down, you will have the option of discover, and there in the search result, you might be able to find an option with play button. As you can see here, there's no play option in those options. So you can tap on see more and there you will have all the other Ludo options. And from there, you need to tap on Ludo Club board game. You tap on play and with that, you will be able to play Ludo in Messenger right away. Here you tap on Facebook. The game is currently in loading. Turn on message from Ludo Club. If you want to get notification from the Messenger or the Ludo Club, you tap on turn on. If not, you tap on not now, and now you will be able to play your games with your friends and play the game on online as well. So this is how you can play Ludo in Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.